Hello friends, it is a bright sunny autumn morning and it's start of a week, fresh. I'm on Monday 30th November 2020. Right now we are seeing the beautiful mother of thousand plant. The plant has a botanical name as Kalanchoe digramontina. Formerly it was called as Bryophyllum digramontianum. I still remember when I was a child, we used to play with this plant back in my country, where I was born in India. And still I remember this first scientific, the first part of the name, Bryophyllum. What we do when we were kids, like we used to cut the leaves from the plants, tie it to a string and hang it in air. That's it. Hang it like in air, and as days passes, the plants wedges, the leaf wedges. You see like wedges here, they give like lot of small baby plants. Right now I have harvested all the baby plants. I can show you, and you'll be really amazed how many babies I got from each leaf, and then it really filled up almost half of my big bowl. This plant is also called alligator plant or Mexican hat plant, and it's the plant, the mother of thousand, is native to Madagascar. Like other members of Bryophyllum, it can propagate vegetatively from plantlets that develop on its leaf margins. So that small baby plants that I was mentioning to you, they are called plantlets. See that down you can see like small buds. Those are all the baby plantlets. Baby plants, they are called plantlets. All parts of this species contain a very toxic steroid known as digramontianum. I can put all these details in the description box, so you can have a look at it. And I have derived these information from various sources online. And this plant is a very good to include in your succulent garden if you want one, and it would give beautiful lush green leaves, and as days and weeks and months and years pass, they're going to get denser and give lot of baby plants. All the plantlets fall down and they give lot of baby plantlets. I can show you the plantlets. Here I have the baby plantlets potted. See, today morning I potted. This is what I'm doing this whole morning, like in the garden, doing a lot of garden work, little here and there, and also taking videos for the channel, YouTube channel, garden channel. So yeah, these are all the baby plantlets that have become bigger plants around that big mother plant that I showed you. So I've repotted them in another pot so that they get more air and sunlight, and they can flourish and establish into bigger plants. These are the baby plantlets that I harvested. See, these are the baby plantlets that I have harvested from the mother plant. So it's great fun growing mother of thousand. Your kids would love it if they really like to see, plants coming out of leaf wedges. That's something very rare. Usually the plants come out of seeds or stem, or like you go to grow a stem and leaves sprout out of it. But this is like baby plantlets coming out of leaf wedges, so kids would really love it. you can show them and encourage them to garden some succulents, and they could appreciate the gardening skill. So enjoy planting some succulents and have a good day. Take care.